The first type of flare is going to be the hand flare. You simply deploy like a little baton, remove the cap, and you have a pull tab. You rip down on this and let's see what happens. And take a look at that, it starts to jetson out. So as you can see, the handheld flare burns very, very bright. You want to hold this away from you because it spews out molten slag. It's not gonna shoot up into the air and it's not gonna create big clouds of smoke like our next two. The next type of flare you're gonna wanna see is called life smoke. Now all these came from Hickory flat borers, which have the most insane collection of 12 gauge ammunition, but they also had these 3 types of flares, so I just had to test them out. And this orange smoke, I'm wondering if it's gonna be more powerful than a military grade smoke grenade. Let's put it down right here, and of course if you're interested in gunsmithing, go to sdi.today. It just says to pull on this tab away from the canister and that it's gonna get really, really hot. In theory, this floats in the water. There we go, it made a little pop. Guys, take a look at this. This is pretty wild. That is putting out a massive output of smoke. And it's starting to get more orange. I think I left my truck door open. I should probably go close that. This is very impressive smoke that totally obscures that smoke grenade. And getting a close-up of that smoke is just incredibly satisfying. Now our third and final flare is going to be this. Well, actually this is just the 12 gauge launcher for it. You can see straight through, no rifling. You grab a 12 gauge flare at about 12 bucks a pop. These things are not cheap. Let's cock that hammer back and fire it. I'm gonna see if we can hit some ballistics gel. In essence, this launches a comet that is super bright so it can be seen over the horizon line. 3, 2, 1. And we missed. So those are the 3 types of flares. Subscribe for more.